Our next precision instrument is micrometer. What are the parts of micrometer? This is anvil. This is fixed over here. Spindle. This is bevel on which main scale is there. You can see the graduations over here. This is bevel. This is thimble. On this also graduations are there. This thimble circumference is divided into 100 equal parts. This thimble graduation, it is known as micrometer scale. It is divided into 100 equal parts. If you observe vernier caliper, we observed on vernier scale it is divided into 50 equal parts. So minimum dimension measured with vernier caliper, least count, it is 0.02. Whereas this micrometer scale is divided into 100 equal parts. So minimum dimension measured with micrometer is 0.01 millimeters, means 10 microns. Diameter of our hair also can be measured with the help of micrometer. This is ratchet. So in this way, different parts are there. Frame, anvil, spindle, bevel, thimble and ratchet. Whenever we want to measure, we'll have to grip the part to be measured between anvil and spindle. For example, in this way. And rotate with help of ratchet only. Now you may ask, why to rotate with the help of ratchet? See, if I rotate with the help of ratchet, at certain pressure, this ratchet produces noise. Now listen all of you carefully. See, it slips. Now even if I rotate, spindle won't move. So at particular pressure, ratchet works and don't allow spindle to move forward. Because of this, each and every person will get same measurement with the help of micrometer. So this thimble arrangement is there. Now once you got the reading over here, again in the same manner how we measure with the help of vernier caliper, in the same way we will have to measure. Now observe this edge of this thimble, how many full millimeters it has crossed. And then this zero line and measurement on this thimble, where it coincides, that you will have to find and get your reading. Now I will tell you the reading, you better observe it. See students, it has crossed 5 millimeters full. And the zero line is not yet coinciding with the main scale. That's why it is 5.97. Before 0, third line coincides. So it is 5.97. In this way, up to 0.01 millimeter we can measure with the help of this. In this manner, you will have to measure with micrometer.